because North Korea, he control global South. President Shahid, because financial world is there. Who attack? All North is army, South to North, North financial to South, South global. That we work. This is a real position. But the Trump coalition, Trump policy outcome, any attack, any outcome, Trump when he do one missile that place, or North Korea, or China, or Russia, whatever, because my army, alarm, increment, doctor, dead world, okay? This is a dead world army. This is ready. Trump fake, enough coalition, enough explain. If you know enough, use your power now. You will see who is world global. We teach you in National OCGFC how to control financial. Already you lose financial. You don't have financial. What money factory you have? That is a National OCGFC control. Opera position, manufacturing. That is a National OCGFC, he control global South. He control nothing America. Inside America, but nothing can do anything. $1 analyst call out. Fact is enough. 10 years you using, game over. With partner we do game over.